hoping this is going to break up without breaking up. Makes sense. Separate, sorry, without breaking up. I stupidly forgot to put any lining material, like a like a lubricant to allow it to release it easy. I was going to oil it or something, but we'll see. So obviously they're cast. There we go. Right, so there's obviously the crayons. So this stuff, this refractory, is supposedly seemed to be for up to 1700 degrees. I'm not looking to, if I want to forge weld, I'd forge weld on the coke forge, get much hotter temperatures. This is more for doing my axes, you know. As you can see here, I've got the this is one of the first forges I ever bought years ago. I modified it, changed it, put a door in it and stuff. And anyway, I'm repurposing it. This is going to be my propane forge. Ribbon burner, sorry, confuse you. Just neaten up these edges. So I'm going to stick a mask on actually. I'll just talk over it or something after I do a commentary or something. Right, one sec. This is something else I've been working on. Gas foundry, so I can start casting bronze. So I did a course years ago on casting a bronze sword, so I've always wanted to have my own setup. So I decided might as well make one. The only annoying thing I've done about it is I reinforced it with some steel mesh, and then when I was casting it with the inner tube, it bloody moved. So like a weird, it's offset obviously. You can just see the mesh here inside. Yeah, I've got about a 50mm here, bloody 30mm there. Shouldn't make any difference to be fair, hopefully it should still work. There's obviously the burner coming through. And the underside of this, it's got ceramic firewall in it, and then it's covered with a refractory clay up to 1700 degrees, so it should be fine for bronze. Smelling copper and tin. But if you guys are interested, you can, you know, leave us a message and I'll let you know obviously how I made it, what materials, where I got them from. Obviously if you're in the UK. Right, cheers guys, I'll see you later.